What is up guys, we're back again doing some more work on the Evo. Today we've got a little aero project. I want to make a front splitter for the Evo. Now this is something I've been putting off for about 12 months. I've gathered all the materials like a year ago, got the template made up, but I just haven't had the time. So as you can see by this sticker, only the finest Western Sydney aerodynamic engineering going on today in this backyard. But let me pull all the stuff that I've got prepared out and then I'll show you what we're gonna do. So this is the track bumper and this is the street bumper. So on the track bumper I've got a set of canards that I've made previously. This is actually version 2. I've previously made a super aggressive set which looked full on World Time Attack Pro Class style. I'll put a photo of what that looked like, but I've taken that off. I've made this kind of revised, more street friendly club sprint version of canards. Some of you may be asking, why do you have a track bumper? Why don't you just do it all on that bumper? A couple reasons. Number one was for canards, you got to drill into your bumper, so I didn't want to ruin my original bumper. And number two, on the first track day I did with this car, it was on the original tires I got with the car, which were like 4 mismatched China brand tires, and I ended up going off the track predictably into a gravel trap, and what ended up happening was I got some hairline cracks in my bumper. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. So I got these hairline cracks in my bumper as a result of going off, and I also got some nasty paint chips, but that's neither here or there. Anyway, so that's the reason I got the track bumper, but it was also really cheap, honestly. I mean, it's not perfect. It's been banged up, but I mean, that's the whole point. I don't mind if this gets banged up. Also, broken lip that I zip tied together, but so that's the reason I got the track bumper. It's got quick releases on it. Quick disconnect, quick release. But so I'm gonna make a splitter to go underneath that for the next time I go on the track. You know, backyard engineering helps some downforce out. This is the template I made about 12 months ago. It's seen better days. It's been rained on. The tapes come off. But let me put that on top of that and you kind of get an idea of what I'm trying to achieve. So this is essentially what I'm trying to get done here. As you can see, there is a whole bottom front lip, a front splitter. It's got cutouts for the wheels that I've made. This may need to be cut out a bit more. From the last time I did it, I remember there might be a bit more clearance needed for wider wheels. But it's a full-on under tray front splitter that I want to make. Now I'm going to be making it out of this stuff here. This is marine ply, 9mm thick, I believe, and I've got aluminium L's and U's just to kind of brace it and mount it in place. Alright, quick little update. I've got the bumper and template situated on the wood. Wood is on some workhorses, but situating the bumper, that took way longer than I expected. So this is basically all 5 centimeters, 50 mil from the actual bumper itself all the way around. I'll give you an idea of what it looks like. Not bad. So I think now I'm just going to draw the outline, mask the outline, and cut. I'm not going to move it from here. It's a bit too delicate, so it's going to be a bit of a waste up front. But let's get cutting. Alright, update number 2. Got the template cut out. It's a bit rough around the edges. About there. Some places. Ideally, I want to sand that down, and I actually want to get a router to finish that edge off. So instead of it being like a hard straight edge, I want to round it off. I believe a router is the tool that you need, so ideally I want to get one of those. And then for mounting, this is what I want to do. So using these aluminium bits, first off, something like that. So that's a U-channel bit for extra rigidity, and then take these L's. That focuses. Take these L's, slot them in there like that, and then that goes somewhere behind there, mounts into the crash bar, I think is how I'm going to do it. Anyway, I think that's all for today. I need to go, probably, I don't have a hand sander. I'm going to go grab a sander, see what the price is on the router to finish this off, and then we'll mock up the mounts tomorrow and see how we go from there.